How to add social media link on your YouTube channel and description. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open any one of the web browser and go to youtube.com. Then click on your profile icon at the top right corner and go to YouTube Studio. Then after, simply head towards setting. You will see that option in the left hand side menu. Then after a window will appear. From that you simply need to choose the option of upload defaults. Then after you will see title and description option. Simply go to description and now before you provide any link to your social media, what you need to do is instead of just pasting the link, you need to type HTTP before the link so that whenever someone visits your YouTube channel or to the description, they are able to link in your social media. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.